In this True IVS tutorial, we'll walk through how to build an image classification tool. This AI will be trained to detect which face card is presented to the camera. To begin, click the Add Instruction button and select the Image Classification tool. The next page displays key settings, including training mode, image folder location, label type, and a minimum confidence score. Give the tool a name that accurately represents the function of the tool. To have multiple classifications, set the training mode to multi-class classification. To select where your training images will be saved, click the Images button to open your file directory. Choose or create the appropriate folder, then open the ML Trainer. To add your labels, type a name into the text box and click the plus button. For this tool, we'll be adding the ace, king, queen, jack, 10, and a case for if no card is present. To capture an image, you can click the Folder, Live View, or Single Trigger button. The Live button provides a real-time view of your image before you capture it. Clicking Stop will pause the live view, allowing you to then label the image. The image will appear on the right side of the screen with a Region of Interest (ROI) overlay. Adjust it to fit over the part inspected. Once you're satisfied with the image captured, click the Label button to assign the current tag. If you need to change the label, simply click the button again and select a different one from the menu. There is also the Auto Label feature that helps simplify the triggering process by automatically labeling the live images taken by different intervals of time. Once clicked, the labeling will start. When gathering images for training, variation is key. AI does a great job at detecting patterns and features that may be too hard to identify with traditional tools. If any images taken are not desirable, you can delete them by clicking the Trash button above the images. It's good practice to have a minimum 20 to 30 images per class, and increase until your model is reliable. More images may be needed depending on similarity between labels. This dataset is going to have over 100 images in each set, with different rotations, translations, and even obstructions of fingers and glare. When collecting images, keep the ratio of images in each label close to 1:1, as these can cause the AI to favor one label over another. Once you've collected all your images, click the AI Train button in the bottom left corner. This will start the training process using the images in your library. You can monitor the progress at the bottom of the page. When the training is complete, the tested accuracy of your model will be displayed. This number is from the AI using some images from the dataset to test its own accuracy. If it's too low, it may be a sign of a bad dataset. With a good score, click the check mark to finalize the model and begin using it. Back on the instruction page, you can select the label you want the program to report as a pass and adjust the minimum confidence score the AI needs to meet to make a decision. To test your new model, run the live view to see the tool's results in real time. It will display which label the tool is looking for along with the confidence score. Showing 0% means it's confident the other label is present. When confident the desired label is shown, a score will be displayed. The higher the number, the more confident it is. To select a different label to find, click the drop-down and select the label. When testing, if the AI isn't accurate enough, simply reopen the ML Trainer, add more images to improve the model's performance, or revise the images in the dataset to ensure they are all labeled correctly, and retrain doing the same process. Once you're finished with testing, click the OK button to add the tool to your program. On the main page, you can see the tool's result on the top left of the image and the result in the instruction list. Testing with a single trigger button, the AI is able to identify the cards presented to the camera. For more information, make sure to check out the help documentation.